or to wrong word usage. Mali ang salita sa Ingles. For example, the word in English, laity, L-A-I-T-Y. We all know that laity means the parishioners of a Catholic church, in contradistinction to the religious, the parish priest, and the other members of the religious community. Ngayon, pag nabihan ka use the word laity in a sentence, you should not say, hometown ni Imelda Marcos ang laity. Or the use of the word mention, banggitin, mention. Halimbawa, mali ito. Ang laki ng bahay nila, parang mention. Punctuation. Punctuation. Period, comma, semicolon. Punctuation. Sabi ng isang bata, Daddy, pasukan ko na next week. Ano po ng punctuation? Tenacious. Tenacious meaning stubborn. Keep on fighting, that being tenacious. Somebody said, before playing tennis, I have to put on my teenage shoes.